Hi, you guys. So I want to show you guys how you can disable chat from student to student and only make it where the students can only chat with you. So sometimes kids get inside of the Zoom meeting and they chat like crazy. Like if you look down here in the chat, Sarah Smith is going to town. She's just talking, 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 and they can kind of take up the whole chat. And then also they might say something inappropriate or something like that because they know that all the students are listening. So an easy, oh look, she's giving her Roblox gamer tag. Oh no. So anyway, so a good way to go ahead and disable this, if you notice down here, there's 3 dots and you got to make sure you have the chat open. So if you don't have the chat open, you have to click the button right here. Okay. So you're going to open that chat. You're going to go down here and you're going to click more. And then you're going to say right here, the participant can chat with host only. Okay. And so anyway, so now she can only send me private messages. So your students can still communicate and talk with you. But again, it also prevents her from going a little crazy on that chat. I hope that was helpful. Bye. I love it. You are so adorable, Harley.